Hey guys, my name's Amanda. I'm kind of new here. I am. You may also be. If you're kind of new here, thanks for swinging by. Please don't forget to like, subscribe. Is it over there? Might be over there. I can never remember. So like, subscribe, and don't forget to tell me what kind of videos you would like to see. So, what is going on is, well, it's Tuesday. We've been eating leftovers, making do with things, but I haven't done a meal plan. So, I guess I get to bring you along. Not I guess. I get to bring you along. And, we'll make a plan. We'll get some ideas on the calendar. And we'll go with that. We're standing right in front of my fridge and we're taking a look. So far this week we have been doing like fragments, leftovers. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so this is my fridge. Pretty self-explanatory, isn't it? So I have some non-fat light yogurt. I don't like Greek because, and that's plain, so I could bake with it. But I don't like Greek yogurt because it has a weird taste. I have 10 pounds of chicken hindquarters. I have some homemade salsa in the background. I don't know if you could see it. There you go. Okay, up here I have some cacio e pepe. It's, looking at it, I was like, ooh, that looks interesting. And now that I'm looking at it, it's like Parmesan cheese and peppers. So it's, yeah. I have some salsa. I have some more garlic. I always have a lot of garlic. And we do the minced garlic because, well, it's simple. I have some homemade pickles in the background. I have cold brew coffee. Some store-bought salsa. I have almond milk, chocolate milk, coffee creamer. Yes, that is a pumpkin pie spice creamer. It's delicious. I have some leftovers down here. These are vegetables from last night, and then I had a rice and quinoa mixture I made. Behind my grapes, I have gluten-free bread. And in here, I have sesame Asian, two salad mixes. One's bacon Caesar, one is sesame Asian. I have some sliced cheese. I have some ham. I have some carrots from my garden. I think I'm gonna do something with that. In here I have eggs and margarita mix. I bought it for an event, like my husband's birthday in May. We haven't used it since. I have some hard cider. I have some hard cider, which I drink about every 6 weeks, maybe I'll have one. But hey, it's cheaper than going to a bar, right? Plus, when we helped my neighbor clean up his yard after the derecho, he brought over a 6-pack. Good man. He could have brought, and he brought my husband orange soda, like Fanta or something, or Crush or whatever, because that's what he drinks. Okay, so I have stuff in the fridge. I have Hershey sauces, lemon juice. I have some, that's for puppuccinos, whipped cream. I have real maple syrup, some barbecue, and then salad dressing. I have some other things in here. More salad dressing. There's our fridge. And we had an event where we were kayaking, and we brought some orange juice and vodka so everybody can make screwdrivers. I have butter. I haven't had caffeine today. I think I'm gonna have this. so I did my meal plan, but I forgot to hit record. So here's what I'm doing, is I have smoked chicken Caesar salad and fruit because those need to get used. Here I'm gonna do smoked chicken taco. I'm gonna do smoked chicken with another salad, the other salad kit. I think it was the Asian sesame. And so we'll do fruit there too. And this is the, we're gonna do shredded chicken. On the last day, I have sweet potato fries, and if we have any fruit left, that's what we're gonna have. Saturdays we go out. So that's our meal plan for the week. But how am I gonna prep it? I think what I decided to do with the chicken is I'm gonna smoke it. Okay, so what I do here is I actually am going to take 2 different kinds of mustard and I'm going to put it on top of the chicken. It works like a glue. It doesn't add any kind of mustardy flavor. What it does is, well, it's turmeric, onion, mustard powder, water, vinegar. I mean, it just works like a glue. And since I have this one, I'm trying to use the end up of, I'm probably going to use the spicy brown. And they get most of the flavor from the smoke anyway. So what I'm doing at this point is I'm painting on an even amount of the mixture of mustards, which I did even amounts of the brown and spicy. And then I smoked the chicken in my electric smoker with mesquite wood chips because, well, that's what I had. This here is a giant container that at one time just had minced onions in it. See? The label's on there. But I put all of the ends, the bottoms of my savory seasonings in this, and I use it randomly. After I applied the seasoning, I smoked the chicken at 225 until it hit temp at 190. And we ate it with the Caesar salad that night. For night 2, I put some of the chicken, I think it was 2 pieces, and I put homemade salsa in there. I let it cook throughout the day so that way it would get tender and I could pull the chicken. And with what was left in the crock pot of all the stuff, I ended up adding some rice and quinoa, and we served it as burrito bowls, and then the following night as tacos. So on night 4, I took the chicken and, well, stuck it back in another crock pot because I have so many. And then I added some barbecue sauce on top. You'll see that here in a moment. And I rinsed out the bottle of barbecue sauce with water and just poured it on top. And it was really just any barbecue sauce that you have. And the goal was to let it simmer all day in the crock pot and get nice and tender. And I was going to have pulled chicken sandwiches one day and then maybe like a barbecue pizza the next day. Well, I plugged it in. I got it all set. Forgot to turn it on. So we had chili dogs that night. They were delicious, but it made me grateful that I keep my leftovers. So that was the end of my experiment. I did have plans for about 5 days, and didn't quite work out. Oh well. Holy mackerel, editing Amanda here. In fact, I just took off my glasses to make it look like, I cared what I look like. And I forgot to film an outro. So, guys, if you like what you see here, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below. You know the drill. That's all the stuff. But hey, if you have comments or desires for videos, please let me know. See you soon. And if you work at my orthodontist, I just ate something, so I took my rubber bands out.